Hi, my name is Daniel Safia binti Muhammad Rafi. I am from Group 1 in Am1201B. My metric number is 2025693866.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Am1201 binti Muhammad Ami and my student ID is 2025298944.
Hi everyone, my name is Nabila binti Salwi. I'm from Am1201B. My metric number is 2025229718.
Hi guys, my name is Ahmad Fakhrul Hafiz bin Ahmad Suzani. My metric number is 2025857308.
What is compound interest? Based on the principle that change from time to time, always change. When interest add to the original to obtain the new principle, we say that interest is being compounded. The new principle is used to complete the interest or the next interval of time.
What is annuity? Annuity, a series of payment, deposit or withdrawal of time. There are two types of annuity, which is ordinary annuity is a future value of ordinary annuity. Sum of all its future value of the periodic payments. Next, present value of an annuity is a sum of all the present value of the periodic payment.
Formula page. To calculate the amount of compound interest, we'll use the formula S equals to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, to the power of N. P is original principal, K is annual interest rate or nominal rate, T is interest period, M is frequency of conversion, which is monthly, M equals to 12, quarterly, M equals to 4, semi-annually, M equals to 2, annually, M equals to 1. I is period interest rate, I equals to K divided by M. N is number of interest period in the investment period, N equals to M times T. To calculate the amount of annuity, we'll use the formula S equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, to the power of negative N, divided by I, close bracket.
Part A, question 1 is Zahad invests 12,300 in an account that earns 13.5% interest compounded semi-annually. How long will it take for her investment to double in value? First thing we have to do is that we have to write the following information that we've just gotten. S is equals to 12,300 times 2, since the question said it is double in value. We have to use the given formula, which is S equals to P, 1 plus I, powered by N. So we just have to substitute all the following informations, which we will get RM 24,600 equals to 12,300 ringgit, 1 plus 0.135 over 2 and powered by 2t. The first thing we have to do is that we have to divide the RM 24,600 with the RM 12,300, which we will get 2 equals to 1.06752t, since we have calculated the 1 plus 0.135 over 2 powered by 2t. In order to bring the power down, we need to use log. You will get log 2 equals to 2t log 1.0675. We need to bring the log 2 to the right hand side, which we will divide the log 2 with the following 2t log 1.0675. And the results of our following calculation is 5.30, which is equivalent to t is equal to 5 years and 6 months. Part A, question 1b. Basila invests RM 20,000 in an account that earns 7.5 interest compounded quarterly. Find the amount Basila will receive at the end of 5 years. S is equals to RM 20,000 plus 0.075 over 4 and powered by 4 times 5. The first thing we should do is that we need to calculate the ones in brackets. So we got 1.449948026, which we will get the amount of RM 28,998 ringgit and 96 cents. Part A, question 1, B2. After 5 years, the bank increases the interest rate to 8% compounded quarterly. Find the amount in Basila's account at the end of 7 years of her investment. So since we've just calculated the amount for the 5 years, we just have to use the amount of the 5 years as our P, which means S is equals to RM 28,998 and 96 cents multiplied by 1 plus 0.08 over 4 and powered by 8. You will get the results of S is equals to 33,976 ringgit and 90 cents.
Part A, question 2a. 5 years ago, Ahmad deposited 50,000 ringgit into an account that earns 5% interest compounded monthly. Today, he plans to add RMY to the account. Find the value of Y if he wants to have 45,000 ringgit in the account 10 years from today. First, you identify the formula required from the question, so we use the compound interest formula, which is S equal to P, bracket 1 plus I, bracket base N. Next, take out the number and insert into formula. So, the calculation is S1 equal to 50,000 bracket 1 plus 0.05 divide to 12 bracket 60 base 60, then S1 equal to 19,250.38. Next, 45,000 equal to bracket 19,250.38 plus Y bracket. Then bracket again with 1 plus 0.5 divided to 12 bracket base 120. Next, 45,000 equal to 19,250.38 plus Y bracket 1.647 bracket. Also, bring the latest number to the front. So 45,000 divided to 1.647 equal to 19,250.38 plus Y. Then 7,322.40 equal to 19,250.38 plus Y. Also, bring the latest number to the front. Lastly, 27,322.40 minus 19,250.38 equal to RM 8,072 ringgit and 2 cents. Part A, question 2B. Zaleha invests 7,000 ringgit at an interest rate of 6.4% compounded monthly for the first 6 years and 6% compounded every 4 months for the next 4 years. Find the maturity value and the total interest earned by Zaleha at the end of her investment. Same as before, we take out the number from question and insert into the formula. First, S1 equal to 7,000 bracket 1 plus 0.064 divided to 12 bracket base 72. Then, S1 equal to 10,260.54. Next, S2 equal to 10,260.54 bracket 1 plus 0.6 divided to 3 bracket base 12. Then, maturity value equal to Rm 30,020 ringgit and 46 cents. Lastly, we need to find the I, which is interest. So, the formula is I equal S minus P. So, I equal to 13,020 ringgit and 46 cents minus 7,000 and the answer is 6,020.46.
Part B, question 1. Kenanga Banks offers a personal loan of Rm 250,000 with an interest rate of 4.8% compounded monthly. The customer must pay back the loan through monthly payments for 25 years. Part A, find the monthly payments. S equals to 250,000, K equals to 0.048, M equals to 12, T equals to 25, I equals to K divided by M. So 0.048 divided by 12 equals to 0.004, N equals to M times T. So 12 times 25 equals to 300. In this question, we'll use the annuity formula. Then we'll get 250,000 equals to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.004 close bracket to the power of negative 300 divided by 0.004 close bracket. First, we'll calculate the amount in the bracket. And then we'll get 250,000 equals to R times 174.520995. When we move the number in the bracket to the other side, it will become division. So, 250,000 divided by 174.520995 equals to 1,432.49. So the answer for the monthly payment or R is 1,432.49. Part B. Immediately after paying the 288th payment, the customer decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the amount to be paid. N is 300 minus 288 equals 12. In this question, we'll use the annuity formula, but replace S with B. Then we'll get B equals to 1,432.49, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.004, close bracket, to the power of negative 12, divided by 0.004, close bracket. First, we calculate the number in the bracket. Then we'll get B equals to 1,432.49 times 11.693738. After calculating, we'll get the balance or B equals to 60,751.16.
Alicia borrowed Rm 25,000 to pay off the finance. She agreed to settle the loan in 24 monthly payment at 4.8% compounded monthly. So here we have two questions. For question A is, find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. P equal to 25,000, N equal to 24, K equal to 4.8%, which means 0.048. For compound monthly, M equal to 12. For monthly rate is I equal to K divide M. This means 0.048 divide, so equal to 0.004. For this question, we're using formula R equal to P open bracket I divide by 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of N. So R equal to 25,000 open bracket 0.004 divide by 1 minus open bracket 1.004 close bracket the power of 24. So R equal to 1094.55. So next, 24 multiply with 1094.55, so equal to 26,269.13. So the answer will be minus with 25,000, so equal to 1,269.13. If she fails to pay the first 5 monthly payment, find the amount that she must pay on the 6th payment to settle the outstanding area. So for this question, we're using formula R equal to open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket divide with I. So 1094.55 multiply with open bracket 1.004 close bracket the power of 6 minus open bracket 1.004 close bracket divide with 0.004. So answer will be 5,538.76. R equal to 5,538.76 plus 1,094.55 will be equal to 6,633.31.